You guys need to try this soup. It is so good. Look at that. Start off by frying mushroom, onion, spring onion, garlic, pepper, cumin, garlic powder and paprika. Then you want to add those vegetables to the blender with spinach, rocket, parsley and coriander. Just blend it up, put it like that. Add the avocado, smash the avocado, whack it in a pan, add some chicken stock, boiling water, give it a stir. Look at that. Add some garlic and chilli sauce. Such a good sauce. Annabelle got it for me. Add some gochujang. It's really nice. It's like spicy, a bit like sour. Add some paprika, cheese. Look how much cheese that is. Then you got to chop up some potatoes into little squares, boil it, whack them in the tin foil, add some thyme, garlic granules, I added way too many, and some paprika, salt and pepper. Then just give it a big shake around, put it in the air fryer for about 20 minutes. And then you're left with the soup, put it in the thing, add the potatoes, add the rocket, add the coriander, add the cheese. Put it in the oven for 5 minutes, melt the cheese, and look at that. Hell, look at that. Jesus. Wow.